Hi, welcome to a session on arithmetic sequences, number patterns. If we look at our first number pattern we have up, 7, 11, 15, 19. Now we know 7 represents term 1, 11 is term 2, and term 3 is 15. We can also say in position 2 is 11, in position 3 is 15. Now we're going to find out what is the difference between the terms. 11 minus 7, 4. 15 minus 11, 4. 19 minus 15, 4. So we notice we have a first common difference, which we're going to call D. And if we have a first common difference, we can now conclude that this sequence is arithmetic. We can call it an arithmetic sequence or a progression. In short terms, I'm going to refer to this as an AP, arithmetic progression. So let's investigate this. Term 1 is 7. We're going to give it a name called A. So A represents the first term. If we want to find the second term, we're going to take A, which is 7, and add the common difference, which we're calling D. So 7 plus 4 is 11. With variables, we are saying term 2 is equal to A plus 1D. To find term 3, we're going to add 7, which is A, plus D plus D. In other words, we're adding 2 Ds. So term 3 is equal to A plus 2D. And you can see that works out 7 plus 2 into 4 gives you 15. To find term 4, it will be A plus 3D. Now we want to come up with a formula for Tn for any term. So we can say that Tn is equal to A plus, for 3, term 3 we use 2D. So for Tn we would use n minus 1 into D. And this gives us the general term or the formula for an nth or the nth term, which we will call Tn. So we have a formula for an arithmetic sequence where A represents first term, D represents a common difference, and N is your position. So returning to this example, we have Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. For this specific AP, we can conclude that the A value is 7 plus n minus 1, the common difference is 4. We're going to use a distributive law to multiply the 4 into the bracket. That'll give you 4n minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So for this specific AP, the formula would be 4n plus 3. Now, with this formula, 4n plus 3, we can find any term by substitution. If I want to find term 100, all I have to do is substitute 100 for n, and that'll give me 4 times 100 plus 3, which is 403. We could have used the original formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 all into D. Remember, our A value is 7. We're going to substitute. N minus 1, 100 minus 1 is 99, and our D is 4. And that'll also give us 403. So, just to conclude, that if we have a common difference, our conclusion is an arithmetic sequence which allows us to use the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 all into D. Thank you.